Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to la Forêt French Class. Today we are going to learn le complément d'objet indirect, which is the COI in French. So let's get started. COI is an indirect object in a French sentence. It is linked to the verb indirectly using a preposition and it answers the question qui. For example, in the sentence, Je parle à Paul. À Paul is the COE as it is indirectly related to the verb parler with the preposition à. Now we'll see how to identify COE in a sentence. Identifying COE in a sentence involves asking the right questions. For example, in the sentence, Marie parle à sa sœur. We ask the question qui. We ask the question à qui to marry. We say Marie parle à qui and we get the answer à sa sœur, which is the COE in the sentence. Regular practice with different sentences can help us identifying the COE. Now we are looking at why do we use the COE. The COE is very important in French, especially in compound sentences. For example, we'll say Tu as offert un cadeau à ta mère pour son anniversaire. Here, à ta mère is the COE, which makes it easier for us to understand the context of the sentence without having to use another one. Unlike COD, the placement of COE does not affect the agreement of the past participle in passé composé. For example, the sentence Arthur a pensé à une amie remains the same as l'ami à qui Arthur a pensé, regardless of the placement of the COE à une amie.
Now we are looking at the placement of COE in a sentence. Generally, COE is placed after a verb in a sentence. For example, Je parle à ma sœur. However, when we use COE as a pronoun, the pronouns are indicated in this table. When we use the COE as a pronoun, it is placed before the verb. For example, we say Je parle à elle, and when we convert it into a pronoun, we say Je lui parle. Taking another example, we say Elle a donné des bonbons à nous, which is converted with pronouns as Elle nous a donné des bonbons. Now, what is the difference between COD and COE? We have to determine whether to use COD or COE. It depends on the verbs, the question they answer, and the placement in a sentence. Common direct transitive verbs which use the COD are voir, aimer, and prendre, while the indirect transitive verbs which take the COE are parler, répondre, obéir. So that's it for today. That was COE. I hope you learned something new and important. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts or if I could make it better for you. Let me know. Au revoir. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Au revoir. Merci.